Hello kitties, it's Shundara. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. So in today's video, we will be following Ariana Grande's The Hollywood Way makeup routine in IRL. Welcome to Hollywood. Hey, welcome to LA. Dirty Nasty. No, I'm just joking. Y'all, I'm from LA. Let me stop. I will help you get a celebrity look. So Ariana already did her eyebrows, so I think this is not fair. So let's start off with eyeshadow. Did she put foundation on already? Wait, where's the skincare? Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Ariana didn't put skincare on. She is about to start off with eyeshadow? Wait a minute. Hold up. So because Ariana didn't put skincare on, I got all the skincare, so we gonna put it on first. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with a little ASMR Koodali to refresh my skin. And then after that, because I thought, what will Ariana Grande do? So I did all this expensive skincare, Koodali, like a lot. And then we have the Korean skincare we're doing here. It's called Swoohlawusu. Now, I really know the name. I just forgot it. So y'all, please bear with me. Sorry, I love this stuff though. I'm gonna leave a link. So I'm gonna use two, warm it up in a hand like this, and bam, honey. How dare Ariana Grande get up there with her Botox face and don't put on no skincare. I thought she was gonna put on some skincare. And now, of course, because I thought Ariana Grande was a little bougie, I busted out the Lumiere. And just so y'all know, it's real Lumiere. Y'all hear that clink, clink, clink? Oh, it spilled it all over. Ooh, that's too much, honey. This cream is like $10. No, this cream is like $50 per ounce, maybe even $100 an ounce, honey. So this is how much I'm using. Y'all see each drop per ounce. You know, then you gotta activate the cream real good and then smear it all over. Yeah. A little bit goes all the way down the neck. So now I have to put on foundation. I can't believe Ariana Grande out here looking good already and started off with eyeshadow. Where is my foundation? I'm gonna have to put on some foundation real quick. Ariana Grande look like, I don't know, she put on like that really good celebrity style foundation. I got Beauty Blender. I actually like this foundation. This is the one I got. So now we are gonna apply it and pretend we're Ariana Grande. Oh, hold on, I need a mirror. What do y'all see here? Yeah, close my eyes. Next thing, like I'm getting it done by a makeup artist. So we've officially put the foundation on. Ariana Grande looked like she already got eyeliner on, contour, and her eyebrows already done. I didn't have time to do all this, Ariana Grande. You started way ahead of me, okay? What is going on? You know what? We are just going to go ahead, you guys, and do this. So what I'm going to do is just apply the purple eyeshadow. Okay, you guys, you know what? Ariana Grande is giving me a little bit of a headache today. Apply our purple eyeshadow. Now, Ariana Grande, that eye brush is kind of big. You apply your purple eyeshadow. Girl, are you sure that's the right eyeshadow brush? How did she get that white eyeliner under her eye that quickly? This is like magic. Hold up. Okay, so y'all see how Ariana Grande did that? Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I don't even know what she did. I'm so nervous because I feel like I'm gonna brush my eye off, but I'm gonna go with the medium eyeshadow brush. Let me get my mirror again, and I am going to try and do the exact same thing that Ariana Grande did, but hers is giving more of a smoky eye. Wait, let me look at the three colors they did to get this smoky purple eye. So they used a dark purple. It's called Purple Star, right? Did they use Purple Star? Yeah. So it's dark purple, light purple, and a pink. So I'm thinking we can use these three colors, dark purple, light purple, and the pink. So I don't know how that was some magic. So I think what we're gonna do is kind of go with the dark purple with the medium eyeshadow. I'm so scared to do this, Ariana Grande, don't. So I'm gonna go on the outer corner with it. Okay, this doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Y'all can't really see. Can y'all see? It doesn't look that bad. So I'm gonna go and do like the middle of the eyelid with it. And then after, we can kind of like layer it. This is just how I'm assuming Ariana Grande did it, with this kind of light purple with a different brush. And then we'll use like this pink. Can you guys see it? And this palette is the Ulta Beauty Pixar palette. That purple is popping. Can y'all see that purple? It's not that bad. Come through, Ariana. So I'm gonna do that and pray that I look like Ariana Grande, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I got out my crease brush because I just had to define that because Ariana Grande was having me look a little janky. So I'm just making sure it's really blending out. Okay, can y'all see that? Is it showing? You know what I should have used, you guys? I should have actually used like some, oh, it's off the tip of my tongue. I can't remember it. So next we are going to try we are going to try to use this purple right here. Can you guys see that purple, or is the light like too bright? But if you can see, it's like this light silverish purple because she looked like she had that in the corner of her eye, if you guys could see. But I'm still trying to figure out how she got it to smoke out with just those 3 colors. She had to use some sort of sorcery, because how is that smoking out? Do you guys think I should do the whole eyelid maybe and then pink it out a little bit? I'm just following the tutorial. Next thing I'm gonna do is take my shading brush and kind of add the silverish purple that's right next to the dark purple. Add it in the corner of my eye like Ariana Grande did, but I still feel like she did that with white eyeliner. Actually, it's not looking bad. Can you guys see? Oh, what is that? Kind of want to go over the lower part of my eyelid just a little bit and then like down just a little bit. I know this is a shading brush, but I kind of thought it would look a little cute. What? Does that look cute? That actually looks pretty good. Can y'all see? Look at that. Bam! What? Bam! Oh, now let's kind of like blend it out just a little bit. Y'all probably like, you're doing this so backwards. Look, it's makeup, it's artistry. I could do it whichever way I want to. Do not judge my artistry. Besides, this is the way I saw it on Ariana Grande, so I'm trying the best I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the crease brush, and what I'm gonna do is take that pink and I'm gonna kind of put it like on the outskirts or the corner of my eye. Actually, I should get the shading brush because it would make sense to like shade this in versus what I was doing. I'm hoping it gives that smoky dark look that Ariana Grande had, and then it will look cute. It will look cute. I be popping. Okay, so let's go ahead and kind of like blend this out just a little bit to see if I feel like the colors are kind of like blending in. Okay, so that is the look. What do you guys think? Does it look cute? Do I look like Ariana Grande or what? I'm gonna try this on the other side. I didn't put no contour on because she didn't have no contour in this game. Cause you know it's the bootleg version. She already gonna come looking cute while I'm sitting here looking half botched. But at least her eyeshadows match it. I don't know how she got that smoky eye. I'm a little hating on her, but I ain't gonna say nothing. The next thing she does is she puts on some purple plum shop lipstick. Ariana Grande, girl. So I have 3 lip glosses here. Maybe I should use like a purple lipstick? Ariana, why, girl, why? I think what I'm gonna do is kind of like put like some of the eyeshadow on my lip, just a little. Does it look cute? Because I can't find purple lipstick that dark. Is the purple coming along? I'm trying to put it on my lips. I can see it. Can y'all see it? Oh, there we go. It's looking like I ate like bubble gum or something. Doesn't it look like that? Ooh, Ariana, why you got me out here looking like this, girl? Bye. It doesn't look that bad, but what I'm gonna do is, because I use the Ulta Beauty lip gloss, what I'm gonna do is use the Kaja Gloss Shop. Yo, I'm trying. So the next thing she does is a blush. Let's see what blush she picks. I'm so nervous. So she uses like a Super Yum. So what is this? Is this like peachy? I think I could go for like a peachy blush. So I have my e.l.f. blush. I was actually going to use the Pixar Beauty blush, but I feel like the e.l.f. one would be better because they have like this really like cute, sparkly, peachy. Which one is this? I don't know. It's not on here, but it's like a peachy look, and that looks sort of like Super Yum. Ariana Grande's brush was a little bigger. Mine is a little smaller, so we're gonna go ahead and apply it just like this. Bam, wait, where's the mirror? Wait, this peach don't go. Should I have used the neutral color? This is too, oh wait. So I'm gonna cancel out, or pray to cancel out the peach and kind of use this color because it's a neutral color, and I'm really worried about that kind of yellow color. Oh, I'm so scared. Ariana Grande, why, girl? Oh, this looks much better. Girl, I was trying to match Super Yum, but my cheeks don't need all that. So, what do y'all think? Do I look cute? What do you guys think? It looks really good in the mirror, but I know on camera, does it look the same to y'all? What do y'all think? Does it look good? Let me know. She put no eyelashes as, where'd she get that from? That's like a magical brush. Okay, you know what, y'all? We're not gonna be doing these IRL makeup content for so long because first of all, I didn't get to put on no under eye contour. I feel like this is a hot mess. Now I gotta find some mascara that looks like magical fake eyelashes. So the only one I could come up with is Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension. I love this stuff so much, and because it actually does make you look like you have fake eyelashes. So let's go ahead and apply this like Ariana Grande did, and hopefully it makes us look like our eyelashes are really, really big, thick, and fake, like Ariana Grande's the bootleg one. Girl, my makeup look bootleg. Ariana Grande out here doing magic tricks with her bootleg makeup. And she the bootleg version of Ariana Grande. It's giving too much. Let's look at how Ariana brushes her hair. Okay, well that's cute. Wait, where's the brush? She didn't even brush it. She just changed her wig. Bootleg version, no, she being shady. That's why those eyes keep shifting. So let me comb my hair. He said, you got 100. Oh, I got 100 points. Now I have to dress her. And her? I gotta dress two people and she in the background kissing me? What happened to the makeup? Guess we did the IRL makeup. What do y'all think? Is it cute? Is it bomb? Is it popping? Do you guys think we did skincare? We did makeup. We did the whole trio. That being said, kiddies, I know I'm popping. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.